So, ayan na siya, guys. Okay. Hello, guys. Today, magluluto ako ng mac and cheese. Pero akin lang. So, ayan, guys. Kailangan natin ng beef. So, ang ganda ng beef ko. And, of course, chopped onions. And, butter. Shredded mild cheese. Cheddar cheese yan, guys. And, of course, we need this tomato paste. So, yan lang yung mga kailangan natin today, guys. Very simple and mapapakain ako today. So, ayan, guys. Stay tuned lang kayo. So, let's cook it now, guys. So, we're going to put now the butter. Okay. Ayan. And now we are going to add the onions. Ayan. And now we are going to add the beef, right? And of course, we are going to add my favorite garlic and herb because I want my dish smell good. Haluin lang natin siya, guys. Yan. Para yung sibuyas hindi siya masunog. Okay. We are going to add pepper and salt. So, ayan guys, maglalagay tayo ng tomato paste. Ayan. Konti lang. Spread it out. Ayan, mix it well. Okay. Alright, so maglalagay ako ng heavy cream. Ayan guys. Nabili ko yung cream doon sa Viva. Ayan. Okay. Okay, so dagdagan natin ulit yung apoy and haluin natin siya. Ayan. Actually guys, depende yun sa inyo. Iba-iba kasi yung ano natin sa paggagawa ng mac and cheese. Ako kasi I prefer my mac and cheese with cream. Then I put a lot of cheese. So, this is how it looks like, guys. Ayan. Creamy na siya. Ayan. So let it boil for some times. Then we are going to add the cheese. Guys, now we are going to add the cheese. Yan. And of course, magtitira ako para sa pang-garnish ko. Okay? Yan. Yan, haluin natin siya. Ayan na siya, guys. Cheesy and yummy. So, ayan siya, guys. This is how it looks like now, guys. Creamy and cheesy. Ayan. So, we are going to add now the macaroni. Ayan. So, ayan. Hahaluin na natin siya, guys. Okay. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Alright, so ayan na siya, guys. Okay. Ayan na ang aking mac and cheese. So simple and quick. Ayan. So it's done. That's quick and easy, guys. Now you have already your mac and cheese. You can add more cheese or you can add mozzarella cheese and you can put it in the oven. So I hope you like this video, guys, and yeah, we are going to put it in the plate. So let's do the plating, guys. Ayan. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, you see, guys, the cheese. Yeah, you can also eat with garlic bread. Okay, now we are going to add cheese on top. Okay, sarap. And you can put it in the microwave oven, guys, if you don't have oven. So you can put it in microwave oven. You can reheat it to melt the cheese. Right? So I think this one is enough, and let's put it in the microwave. So yummy, guys. Now we are going to put it in the microwave and let's heat it just to melt the cheese. Wow, be careful, guys, because it's hot. Okay, so this is how it looks like, guys. Yummy and cheesy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat it. There you go. So this is how it looks like, guys. My mac and cheese. Oh my gosh, yummy. Of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe in my channel and like and share it to your friends, guys. Thank you so much, and try it in your home. Enjoy, guys. So let's see.